is Johnny. I just met him other day at Daikoku. He has this S15 and I told him I can help him with the alignment. So he cruised over. Aggressive looking 15 though. My S15's all-star looks so narrow.
Shit, I wish mine was all-star.
Koguchi, fender, all roll cage, drift ready. Alright, we're gonna do alignment. What did you bring?
Got some Arizona, some
What?
Sour Patch Kids.
US stuff. That's hard to get here.
Yeah, bro.
Thanks, bro.
Of course.
Alright, since Johnny has adjustable arms, he doesn't need the stock adjustable bolts. What did you get?
Got some GK Tech eccentric washers and bolts.
So not adjustable.
Yep.
This one.
So,
If it comes loose, like all alignment messes up, but this stays in the same place.
yep.
So replacing that before we take alignment. Alright, one side is done. Dude, I kinda miss Arizona. We adjusted camber, kinda even. Good enough. We gotta measure the toe to toe and see where they're at. Front of the tire is 155. Back of the wheel is 144. So that's about 11 mil difference. Front is longer, so it's towed. No, it's towed out. Yeah. I think it's fender, bro. It's 11 mil toe out. So we'll adjust it from here. Alright, hopefully this is the last adjustment. We probably jacked the car up like 10 times. Adjusted. Towing camber. Maybe the last time. 3 mil difference now. 3 mil towed in. Master at work. And we struggle on this arm for like 10 minutes.
Because we were turning it the wrong way.
Alright, better be straight this time. Let's roll cars back and forth. Oh yeah, cherry. Perfecto. Car will go straight now. Alright, on the front. Should be easy. We don't have to do camber adjustment on the front, just the total toe. It's not too off either, I don't think. Rear is 0.5 mil, like less than mil, toe in. I mean, you don't want to toe out for drifting from the rear. On my race car in US, the 240, my setup is like almost quarter-inch toe in on the rear.
In the
Front, yeah, toe like quarter inch toe out. But I mean, when you're streeting, you don't want to do that much.
Yeah, to wear out your fucking tires.
Yeah, tandeming, it's really good, like toe out front.
Yeah.
Like car will grab it easier.
It's more snappy.
Yeah. Oh, you got that too? Dang, these are tight. I want to see that in night. What do you do? But just, you gotta put different relay or something? Program relay?
So, no, I bought that as a kit.
Oh,
So this together with the taillights was like $1,000.
yeah.
In the back it has like a relay box.
So you just put it on with
It all plugs
existing?
up to stock lines.
Oh.
Yeah,
And then
cut
it just
anything.
does it?
Yeah. I'm gonna cut anything.
That's
It's
cool.
pretty sick.
Look at that custom slope. No, I'm just filming. Third time. better be.
And it's still towed in.
Still 10 mil. It was 15 mil. One more or two.
So one
Alright, we are done with the alignment with this car. We're gonna go test drive. I mean, it was 27 mil towed in. Super off. So, Johnny, you should be able to feel that difference. That's like going from Spec S to Spec R. Why? Alright, I got no problem with that. Johnny's letting me drive his baby.
This thing's a piece of shit.
Hey, not anyone can get S15. What the? How did you get this made?
No, it didn't. Well, that's the key that came with the car.
No way. Random.
Swear to God. How's it feel?
Oh, it's good. Here's my skip pad.
Letting it rip.
You like my secret skip pad?
That's fucking funny.
Alright, should we go get food? I'm hungry.
The alignment master.
I think it's good, bro.
That's cherry, bro.
Hey, we did it. Came to Sukiya. Nothing special. I live in really countryside. This is the only one that open all the time.
Oh, it's 24 hours.
Yeah. Well, I don't know right now because the corona, COVID. Huh?
How do I say it?
Cheese gyu kalbi. Nami no oroshi ponzu kudasai. Hi. What? You don't have to talk Japanese today. So. Oh, all in English.
Yeah, it's mostly English.
I guess that's US inside.
My little United States.
Just beef with radish. Seem weird, huh? Oh, this is even weirder.
Where's the wrong?
Cheese on beef.
What's the basket?
Alright, we're gonna eat Dunzo. I'm so full.
Just a little bowl.
Hey, that's normal size. Alright, peace out, Johnny.